Hey there, thanks for stopping by my channel. Look what landed on my doorstep today. The new Illustrated Faith Grace and Gratitude Devotional Kit. I love this color already. It's kind of a mustardy yellow off pumpkin color. I'm loving it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in there. I'm going to try to be careful with this sticker because I might want to use that again. That's really pretty. Try not to rip it. Oh, it's stuck. It's really got a hold on that. Let go of that. I don't care about this paper, but I want that. All right, so let's see here. So we've got a note card. Have you ever noticed how your attitude can totally shift when you start thinking about all of the blessings in your life? Love that. So there's our card, and then over here's a bunch of key scriptures that we're going to have. And it says here, this is going to be kit 1 of 3. And just so you know, this kit is supposed to go with this Grace and Gratitude book. So it's 100 days of Grace and Gratitude devotional. So what I'm thinking about doing, I'm going to go through my paint stash and see if I can find some colors that will match some of this stuff here on the front of my book. But you're going to be able to use this, the next 3 kits in this book. So I'll go ahead and put a link to this book down in the description box too, in case you'd like to pick that up and go through that. And this way you won't have to go do journaling in your Bible. You can do it right there in that book and stuff. I think that's kind of cool for everybody who's wanting to try that out. So here we go. Here's another one of those little stickers that were on the front. So we're going to get some, and also at the top of this little card here is a paint swatch of all the colors that are going to match the colors in the devotional. So you could use this to either find your pit pins or your markers or your paints or whatever you want to do. Take it to the store if you don't have paints, and you can grab some of those paint colors. I'm loving that. So you're also going to get a roll of washi tape, and it's looking like, I can't find the end. Silly me. So it's kind of a cream color, and then it's got a bunch of leaves on the washi tape. So that's going to go wonderful. And I'm liking this really bright green here. That goes great with this mustardy color that they have going on with the sticker. Next, you are going to get some Euphoria. So let's take that out. And I'll probably take this stuff and I will put it into a bowl or something so I don't have to dig it out of that little bag every time. But there's a bunch of leaves. Oh, perfect. So you get a bunch of these cute little leaves to stick in your book. Love that. Okay, and then you're going to get a stamp set. So it says thankful. You've got a pennant, pumpkin, acorn, a leaf. There's a couple more. Look at this cute little rabbit. Isn't he adorable? And then you've also got some little strips here that look like washi tape that you can stamp right into your Bible. And it says, happy, a thankful heart full of gratitude and grateful. Awesome. I'm loving that. Look at this little flower. Oh my goodness. Just too much excitement for me. Okay, so we got that. And then, let's see, what's in this little packet here? So in your little packet, you are going to get Acorn Fetty. You get a little journaling card. Let's put that over there. And you get a little banner sticker, Be Grateful. And then you also get a stencil. Oh, this will be good. So you can use this to do some decorating on your pages. You just use a palette knife and put some paste or some paint right over the top of that, and it will make that little acorn on there. Adorable. Okay, and then you're going to get some clear stickers. So you got a bunch of little words on here. I love it. And, oh, you get 2. So here you go, 2 with different things. And I'm liking these little bitty hearts they got on there. And I'm pretty sure they will probably have a, I haven't seen it yet, but I think they'll probably have a downloadable kit too. But don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. Okay, and then let's see if we can open this up. Gonna need scissors because that's pretty heavy duty plastic on here. Let's go this, open that up, throw that over there. So you've got, I am thankful for fresh start. So it's kind of like a little prompts every day. So probably you could go through these and do journal right in your little book or in a notebook. If you don't want to buy the little book, you could go ahead and do it in a notebook. You could do it in your Bible. You could just turn to Psalms 118:24 on this first one and get started. So let's see. We've got fresh starts, his gifts, perfect peace, choices, joy, small reminders, grace, humility, forgiveness, salvation, praise, his greatness, his strength, his nearness, trust, vision, sacrifice, whoops, I'm losing my ring here, fellowship, authenticity, senses, life, his provision, thanksgiving, new life, mercy, celebrations, endurance, music, love, and purpose. And what I love too about all of these, not only do they have the what I'm thankful for to kind of get you started, but each little card has a verse. So you could do, so here's 30 days. So you've got your first 30 days here of things to be thankful for, and you could flip into your Bible and do your journaling or whatever right in there. Or if you want to, you can pick up the 100 Days of Grace and Gratitude book and do it in there. If you're afraid to do whatever into your Bible, that would be a perfect opportunity to try something new. And I've seen a bunch of girls that have done a bunch of beautiful pages in those little books. So I went ahead and picked myself one up early, but I guess they're going to go ahead and send me one with this kit too. So I'm thinking that I'm going to try to do something in there every day. I don't know if I'll record it every day, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to try to do something in there every morning. Maybe get up every morning and do something for 15 minutes or something like that so that I can see if I can go through the whole 100 days. That's going to be my challenge to myself, is to do 100 days of something in my little Grace and Gratitude book. So anyway, I think this is an adorable kit, and since there's 3, they'll all coordinate, so you can get all 3 kits and make them work together. And I guess the colors kind of go with the Revival Camp one too. So if you have some stuff left over from the Revival Camp, you could use that, those leftover pieces also in your journaling this time. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put a link to all this beautiful stuff down in the description box. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon for some Bible journaling. Bye-bye.